Hi everyone, today we will be taking a walk from the famous Koutoubia Mosque to the Madrasa. It is December 23rd and the time is 2 p.m. This walk should take around 13 to 15 minutes. Along the way, we'll pass by many local shops and residential areas. I'll share my thoughts throughout to make this walk more interactive. For now, enjoy the authentic sounds of walking through a Moroccan street. Please consider subscribing to my channel. This is a famous Indian restaurant in Marrakech. It looks quite expensive as well. Please consider subscribing to my channel.
Excuse me, scarf, j'ai la balle, 50 dirhams.
Just as you heard just now, shopkeepers in Marrakech have a habit of calling people into their shops. Personally, I find it a bit overwhelming, but I can understand why they do it. This ATM on the right reminds me to always advise you to bring plenty of cash when visiting Morocco, as most shopkeepers only accept cash. If you decide to use the ATM, it can be quite expensive for you. Look at the sky, it's so beautiful. Combined with the Moroccan architecture and the vibrant colors in the shops, it enhances the beauty of everything around. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Looks like a hidden shopping area. Let's check it out, guys. Please consider subscribing to my channel. shops are not as cheap as you might expect, perhaps because most of the travelers are from Europe. I love shops that are brightly lit. They really attract me. Please consider subscribing to my channel. The Souk of Marrakech are a maze of over 3,000 stalls selling everything from spices and lanterns to leather goods and rugs. It's easy to get lost, but that's part of the charm. Every turn offers something new to discover. For book lovers, Cheder is a must-visit shop offering rare finds and beautifully bound Moroccan literature amidst the bustling Medina streets. Souks is the largest and most famous market in Marrakech. Here, you'll find colorful babouche slippers, intricate carpets, aromatic spices, and shimmering lamps. Let me play some soft Moroccan music in the background for a while. The leather goods in Marrakech are exquisite. Visit the tanneries to see how leather is dyed and dried before buying handmade bags, belts, or posts in the souk. Please consider subscribing to my channel. If you're looking for unique souvenirs, try squre for hand-woven Berber carpets or souk des bijoutiers for dazzling jewelry crafted from silver and precious stones. It's truly an amazing experience walking through these narrow lanes, with shops on both sides and shopkeepers eagerly looking at you, hoping you'll step in and buy something. But for me, I just keep walking because I need to focus on capturing the video. For a more organized shopping experience, visit Ensemble Artisanal. It's a government-run artisan center where you can buy handcrafted goods at fixed prices without haggling. Please consider subscribing to my channel. If you're watching, please make sure to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Creating videos takes a lot of time and effort, so your support would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe. Marrakech's artisan shops also offer one-of-a-kind items like filigree metal lamps, caftans inspired by 1960s Moroccan fashion, or embroidered linen caftans. Visiting on a Thursday, don't miss the flea market at Bab el Chemist Gate. It's a treasure trove of second-hand goods from brass door knockers to vintage furniture. Many shops ship internationally. If you fall in love with a large item like a rug or lamp, ask about shipping options. They're often surprisingly affordable. Sadly, I have to mention that the rugs you see on the right are made from real animal skins, which is truly disheartening. So it looks like we're reaching the end of the video. It was really nice walking with you and sharing this experience. If you enjoy walking tour videos or driving videos, please make sure to check out my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean a lot and truly motivate me to create more content. Thank you so much.